performance. The Nike KD18 Team Bank Game Royal arrives July 29, 2025, via Nike.com and select retailers for $155. Its clean white upper is built for agility and lightweight support, while vibrant Game Royal accents offer standout team identity. Crafted for elite play, it features a durable outsole for multi-directional traction and a responsive cushioning system that supports high-intensity movements. This Team Bank edition delivers unity on the court while reflecting Kevin Durant's championship pedigree and Olympic excellence. It's not just a sneaker, it's a symbol of performance and presence. Designed for squads seeking sharp coordination and players wanting signature flair, the KD18 fuses visual appeal with advanced tech. With each element engineered for gameplay, this model continues KD's impact on the evolution of basketball footwear, proving that style and substance can move together on and off the hardwood.